I want a slushy cup right now.
Well, there's a few things you need to do.
Like what?
Like subscribing.
And
Like and watch 3 times.
And
whatever else you want to do.
like what?
Comment, share, there's loads of things.
Sir, you sent my cup to my neighbor.
No, the cup was sent to your neighbor because they did everything.
So did I.
That's what you think. Looking at my system, it looks like you only liked 1 video.
But what else is there to do?
Boy, you still need to watch 3 times and subscribe.
Hey kid, how did you get one of those slushy cups?
I subscribed to Frosty the Slushy Cup channel. Then I watched all their videos and liked.
So if I did all that, would I get one too?
Sure you will.
We'll do all that right now.
Hey sir, can I get a free slushy cup for my Valentine?
Sure you can!
So, how do I get it?
Just like this video and watch it 5 times, then hit subscribe.
Is that all I gotta do?
Yes, and it's free to do.
I want to give back this slushy cup.
But miss, we sent you that cause you liked and subscribed.
Well, it's not doing what it's supposed to.
Did you keep it in the freezer for 6 to 8 hours?
No.
Well, that's why it won't work. And make sure to watch all my videos to learn how to make a slushy.
Hey sir, can I get a free slushy cup?
No, because you haven't watched any of my videos and you're not subscribed.
Okay sir, I will do all those things.
Great, then you will get a cup.
If I draw your eye, can you give me a free prime drink with the cup?
Okay, go for it. The best drawing wins.
Can I please get a free slushy cup? I can't afford one myself.
Yes, of course. You know all you gotta do is subscribe, right?
Wait, really?
Yes, and if you watch 3 times, you'll get it faster.
Thank you so much.
Why did you send my son a free slushy cup?
Sir, that was a gift, because he liked and subscribed.
But you have tons of subscribers. Why him?
Because he watched 3 times and shared, so he got it faster.
Why is it taking so long to get a free slushy cup?
Let me check, miss. It's usually very quick.
I've been waiting forever.
Well, it looks like you liked, subscribed, and only watched 2.5 times.
So, what does that mean?
It means you didn't watch 3 times, so you still need to watch another half.
Excuse me, sir. Did you put my free slushy cup in the post yet?
What free slushy cup?
The one you promised to send if I liked your videos and watched 3 times.
Nope, that cup's not in the post yet.
But why, sir, why?
Because it's still waiting for you to subscribe.
Sorry, sir, we'll do that right now.
You scammed me!
Sir, how?
You said you would send me a slushy cup, but you didn't. It's been a year!
Sir, that couldn't be me. I was not here a year ago.
So, what do I do?
Just like, subscribe, and watch at least 10 videos, and I'll put your name on a cup.
Excuse me, sir, but you still have my slushy cup.
Oh yeah? Where?
I got a message that told me that my cup's still on hold.
Oh, I know why that happens.
Why?
'Cause you didn't subscribe, and you only liked and watched a few times.
Oh, I better do that now.